Hello, Creative friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And warm welcome to an excitedly. Yes, you want to create some animated videos. Then I am going to give you details about Boba anime. We're probably the best AI anime video generator in the world. And we are going to deep dive with this where you can give simple prompt. What type of anime video you want, or you can also give here your prompts to, and then you can generate. And for that, you can also use Boba Anime. This is also the platform is going to providing you to help, and then you can easily generate what you imagine in your mind. Yes, this is also having some templates, like there is snow cat. Prompt is very simple, like these are the templates. A snowman, wipe off snow, and how to count down mountain and collecting and so on. You can also open that, and you want to try it. For that you need an account, but we are also going to deep dive with these projects. Let's get started with that, and there you can see some videos like how anime actually working. You can see here you can generate your love stories, your story videos in anime, and then you can also go for the what is your lifestyle. You can select, and then you can also proceed to this AI video created. This is Boba AI. There you can also generate what you imagine. So this is also text to video, text to image, image to video, or you can also select this size image. This is Anime Studio that you are going to get with this feature, where you can explore. There are different templates, duration, resolution, and concurrency. And here you can also get, there are some details that you need to understand. First is about like $0 per month, where you can get 10 free credit. Up to one video you can make a one active job. This is basically for trial purpose. But if you want, there is $9 per month that is also getting to giving you 1,500 credit up to 150 videos. 2 active jobs will be given. And this is also my favorite, $29 per month, where you can easily get 5,000 credit, up to 500 videos, and fast generation. And there is no watermark on this, so this is also get maximum plan. According to your suitability, you can select, and you can also proceed to the next. If you want to get started, you can use your account to create, and your account will be created on it. Once your account has been created successfully, you can see here my account, where I have 250 credit on my account registration. And then you can also upgrade to, once you, there you can see Son Goku, there is also Uzumaki Naruto, there is Pikachu, here is also 02, and so many characters have been given there. You can select, and next you can also select the style as well. Like there should be American comics. Here is the anime style, like different. You can check default. You can also choose here. I am going to choosing a realistic style, and now you can also give here what it should be, like what should be action. You can describe there, like here if I am going to give in the instruction on it as a prompt. Here I have given this scenario, and now we are also going to selecting. There is also the mean ratio, and then you can choose their different images, generate to video, generating images. There is fact, there is also generate video with character, with style. You can also generate these details like lip sync is also here. You can also select it with different, and then you can also click on the next option, as there is also being done. And after this queue, we can see the picture is being created. Now you see here how tagging, there is also what we have given there, the prompt. There should be meeting of 5 per character, and there are 5 character. You can see as we have selected Pikachu, so that's why there is also image we can download. We can also create video, and there you can also check these images. And now there should talking, like there is also talking video. So this is what we are going to give in, and then we have to click again, and then it will also be incurred, and it will generated within 1 minute. And you see here different credit that were 250. Now there is still remaining 240. Now you can check out that is time packaging, and this is also working. And device, you can see how yes, how packaging with your dying the plug. So this is also how actually this Boba video with anime created. So here you can see this was image we have created, and now it has converted into video. And you can also more customize it. You can also make actionable to it. Like if I am also going to selecting this image and we want into, like there is also submit to more explore, and we can submit this video as to go ahead with something next. Then you can also customize it. There is also community that you are going to join. Yes, you can also get video effects. There are also being loaded. There in this ecosystem, you can also get different actions. There are also like Trite, there is also animator realistic, and there is also a lot of you can see a complete categories, image tools, there is video tools. You can also get understanding of it, and you can also create a new project. Then you can also use effect with image. There is also image with lip sync. You can also proceed that. If you have any problem or question, basically you are going to getting the plans as I have already given you details about it, that if you come on the Boba anime, you can upgrade your profile. You can also get AI labs with the complete how these videos will be generated once you come. And this is also once you have come and you will enjoy Boba anime, one of the best platform offering to create your animated content videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. See you next video.